Good afternoon, myself Harish Kumar, Assistant Professor, Maladi College of Engineering. Today is my topic of OSI layer. So, OSI model consists of 7 layers. First one is application layer, next one is presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, and data link layer and physical layer. These 7 layers collaborated to work to transfer from one network to another network. How it details the data flow between the one network to another network. So we'll discuss detailedly in the next slide. So OSI model stands for Open System Interconnection. Okay, so it is a 7-layer reference model. It is understand how data is transferred from the one computer to another computer. Okay, it is divides the network communication to 7 layers, simple layers, have specific layers. There are 7 layers from top to bottom. The first one is application layer, where the user interact in this layer. For example, it provides a network service, network applications, network software applications like a web browser, a file transporter. So some protocols are used HTTP, FTP and SMTP protocols used in the application layer. Now coming to the presentation layer, the data handouts to the application layer to the presentation layer, the data are converted into the 3 fundamentals, the 3 functionalities of the data. It converted into the encryption, decryption and compression of the data. Now coming to the session layer, the data presentation handed to the session layer, that it is responsible of the session connection and session termination of the data. Now coming to the transport layer, this is the end-to-end delivery of the data. Now the data is divided into the segments, the small chunks of the data. It handles the error control and flow control. So there are 2 protocols, TCP and UDP. TCP is a transmission control protocol, where UDP is a user datagram protocol. So TCP, it is a fast connection establishment of the data. It give an acknowledgement, whereas UDP does not give an acknowledgement. It is data will transfer fastly. Now coming to the network layer, responsible of the routing. It is a IP routing. Select the best path of the data transfer. So there are 2 routing protocols as routers. In this device, routers play an important role, and IP address is also the specific system. Now coming to the data link layer. Data link layer, it is a deal with the address, MAC address. It is a MAC address. Every system has a 12-digit hexadecimal number. His hexadecimal number will be there. The error detection in this layer. In this layer, the data is in the form of frames. So the important protocol of this layer is Ethernet, and device we will use as a switches. Now coming to the physical layer, in this data link layer, the data is in the form of frames. It hand out to the physical layer that deals with the actual transfer of the data. The data is in the form of digits, zeros and ones. So these are the OSI layer. Now, thank you.